My favorite scene was the scene where Malachi and Afeni were on a bridge in one of the parks. And this was like one of the first times that you get to see them really, really tapping into one another and showing their appreciation and affection toward each other. And it was just such a beautiful, beautiful moment in the film. It touched me in such a tender and emotional way. It's a rare thing, but also equally important thing and necessary thing to see Black people in love with one another. I'm a huge proponent of the Black family. Seeing that emphasized and represented in any film, in any media setting, is such a civil and necessary act